Hello, my name's Tim Walker. I'm the General Manager for Horizon Ag. The first thing that I would like to do is highlight some of our Clearfield varieties. CLL 15 was launched in 2020. It captured about 100,000 acres of rice last year, and we followed that up with good sales of it again this year. CLL 15 is a semi-dwarf variety that's very early. CLL 15 has the PETA gene for blast tolerance. It has a very good grain quality, both from a milling standpoint as well as cooking quality. We brought CLL 15 because it had performed so well over multiple years in seed production as well as demonstration and university testing. It's just a variety that has produced very high yields but also been stable from South Louisiana all the way to the Boot Heel of Missouri. We're excited about CLL 16. Actually, many of our farmers have called CLL 16 the complete package. CLL 16 couples extremely high yields that would rival any of the hybrids that are out there today. It's a very cost-effective seed because you get varietal prices, but it also has excellent disease resistance as well. We have the PITA and PIKS blast resistance genes that are offering extremely good resistance to the current blast strains that we have in the southern United States. In addition to field performance, CLL 16 has excellent milling quality. And when I'm talking about milling quality, I'm not just talking about whole and total milled rice. It has a good cooking quality known for the southern U.S. long grain. And so we're excited about CLL 16 and hope that you will be too. Another use that we think that CLL 16 will have is that in our row rice system. Row rice has been tried over the course of 20 plus years off and on, but it looks like it's here to stay. We know at Horizon Ag that we needed a product that would compete better on those row rice production systems. As we stand here outside of Jonesboro, very near the heart of the medium grain rice growing area, I'd like to tell you about CLM04. CLM04 is a variety also developed by the University of Arkansas that has performance that rivals Jupiter. Jupiter has been the medium grain variety of choice by Kellogg, and so it's been grown here in this area, not just for Kellogg, but for its high performance. CLM04, as I said, has very similar performance to Jupiter, but also allows growers that have grown Jupiter and other conventional varieties another alternative to weed control. CLM04, the performance, as I said, is excellent yields. We've had some preliminary tests with Kellogg, and those tests have gone very well. We're awaiting a big plant run this winter, and we are certainly hopeful that we will finally get that green stamp of approval from Kellogg, and it will be a great option going forward on the medium grain acres. We're excited about the Provisia rice system. Up until this point, the Provisia rice system has primarily been placed on sort of emergency fields down in South Louisiana, South Arkansas, some pockets here in Northeast Arkansas where the weedy rice complex has gotten out of control and it has driven farmers to the Provisia rice system. Well, with PVL03, which will be launched in 2022, we feel comfortable that the Provisia rice system can be expanded beyond those emergency situations for weedy rice control and begin to attack the barnyard grass and other grasses that we're seeing pop out year after year, whether it's in the Clearfield system or a conventional system. When you really look at it, with Clearfield and the Provisia rice system, and conventional and soybeans, we can rotate any of these systems in and out and never come back to the same system, but maybe once every 3 to 4 years. The PVL03 variety, just like with PVL02, it's going to be an improvement. It's an improvement in yield over 01 as well as 02, but it also has a very, very much improved disease package. With the PETA gene and the PIKS gene that we have in PVL03, we're going to be able to provide good tolerance to the blast strains that we have present in the southern United States today. So we greatly encourage you to look at the Provisia rice system because it is the standard for the ACC ACE technology. Again, with higher yields, the ability to control not just weedy rice, but these harder to control grasses at a very economical price, we're very excited about PVL03. We greatly appreciate you giving us time to speak about our new products. We wish you the best.